Hello, my name is Desiree Garcia,
And my name is Aline Gamboa.
and we are from San Benito High School, number 2, from the San Benito CISD in San Benito, Texas.
We created this interactive bulletin board for our first grade class for 20 to 25 students.
We named our poster Popping Doubles. One of our objectives is the learner will apply properties of operations to add two numbers. The teacher will divide the classroom into 3 equal groups, and each group among themselves will decide which student will come up to the board and compete for the winning prize.
The first prize winner will be 10 points, as well as the second prize winner will be 5 points, and the third prize winner will be 3 points. And they will be able to use those points for the next quiz.
The teacher will hand out each student that has won one of these tickets that they will give after they're done with the quiz. So for example, if they won second place, they will receive 5 extra points. So if they got a 95, the teacher will add the 5 points and the student will get a 100. So when the student comes up here, the teacher will press start and the student will come up and solve the equation. For example, for 16, the student will come up and put a plus 8 equals to 16. And also 10, what double numbers give you 10, Eileen?
This would be 5 and 5 will give me 10.
And finally 12, what two double numbers give you 12?
It will be 6 plus 6.
So as you can see, the student would be done with round 1. This teacher would play stop and write their timer up here, the time that they've taken. A new student from Team B will come up here and the teacher would switch out the equations. For example, they would change 16 to 4, which would give you the answer of 2 plus 2. And Eileen is changing the equations as well.
So 2, 1 plus 1 will give us 2.
So the teacher would write down their time for Team B and they would do this for 2 more rounds. At the end, each student will have 3 different times and the teacher would be adding all 3 of them and write the total number here. The winner, they will write their names here and the prize that they win. First, second, or third place.
Over here we have do it yourself, which every day we will pick one student out of the whole class to come up and tell us what the weather is like today, what the month is, the shape of the week, what we will discuss at the beginning of the week, and how they're feeling today.
For example, if the weather for yesterday was raining, the student will come up to the board and change the weather. Let's say today is partly cloudy. They would change it to partly cloudy. The month, let's just say the student comes up and it is the end of November. The student will come up to the board and change the month of November to December. The shape of the week is square. Let's say it's the start of new week, so it is a Monday. The teacher will discuss the shape of the week and the student will come up to the board and put the next shape. So let's just say that the shape is a rectangle. And finally, how the student is feeling. It is very important that our first graders are feeling happy and excited to learn. But it is okay if one of our first graders feels nervous because because they will be taking their quiz that day. This is how the teacher will determine how the children are feeling. That's the end of our interactive bulletin board.
Thank you.
Thank you.